Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy blog. My name is Ray, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Panasonic Blender and Soup Maker. This is the MXHG4401. This product is a little bit different than other blenders you're going to see on the market because it cooks your soup, and it cooks it for a pretty significant amount of time. It's got a bunch of different settings, making it a really great all-in-one product, and it comes with its own noise guard. If we're looking at our functions, there are a bunch. You've got smooth soup, chunky soup, smoothie, followed by frozen drink, soy milk, baby puree, which is warm, not hot, pasta sauce, nut drinks, jam, and then there's just a keep warm function. You've got manual control and clean, which actually cleans on hot to help remove odors. I'm pulling a recipe, and we're actually going to make something out of the Panasonic cookbook for this particular product. It's a coconut, lentil, and butternut soup, sort of like a chunky soup with a little bit of spinach in there. It looks really good, and it cooks for quite a while, so let's get into it. What's really interesting about this recipe is, unlike other soup makers, you are going to be putting your squash directly in here. We're not pre-roasting, we're just chunking up some squash, and it will cook in the base of this for 20-30 minutes. There are a number of preset functions on this blender, but for this particular recipe, I think because there is so much squash in it, Panasonic recommends using the manual settings. You want to dock this correctly. It's always handle side out. Pop your lid on. Coming around here, we want to use this on manual. So we'll go all the way to manual and select. For this soup, we want our soup up to 100 degrees, which is the maximum. And then we want no blend and 22 minutes of cook time. This blender did an awesome job of this lentil soup, but it's great for using for cold things too. You can blend things like ice, smoothies, and even nut milks. Here it is without and with its noise protection cover with a decibel meter on the right. You can kind of hear it in the background. For more on the Panasonic Blender and Soup Maker, make sure to check out bestbuy.ca. Thanks for watching.